The campaign in Dublin was saying that they're going to hold a conference on the 19th of May in the Red Cow Hotel. That's on Saturday the 19th of May. More details to follow, but it's an open conference. Anyone who bought a membership or whatever is entitled to attend the conference. It's probably important because it draws on people from the rest of the country and gives a better flavour of what's going on. So probably everybody should be thinking about going up, and we are as many as going up.
You move away.
And just a few words to say about the more about the water. Just mostly a few words about the water situation, which seems to have come more to the forefront in the last few weeks. But according to almost all figures, around 1 million households haven't registered for the household tax. If such large numbers of people are willing to defy the government over €100 tax, they have no hope of imposing property and water taxes next year. Remember, they will be looking for around 1,000 combined. The Irish League of Credit Unions showed that nearly half of all households have less than €100 left to spend at the end of each month, having paid the bills. Austerity and the paying back of international financial gambling debts are having a real impact on people's day-to-day living. Yet the government think they can squeeze even more money out of people. The evidence so far is that people won't be paying these taxes. Attempts to portray the water tax as being about water conservation don't stand up. Privatisation is the aim. It is the demand of Troika, and big business is quite happy to go along with it. Big business are already preparing the ground. If you look at the number of companies have set up in recent 6 months to do water or some to do with service to water, you can see that big business have decided that there's profits are made for them. Take the example of Aircom, where the profit became more important than the upgrade of services, and it resulted in the company going into the receivership. Plenty of examples of this in Britain where charges increased over the years, yet there are still shortages of water in many areas. Water meters, as you know, will not solve the problem. The leaking pipe system, some 40% to 50% of pipes are leaking, and the water's been lost through these pipes. That water meters won't solve the problem. The way to do it is to upgrade your pipes, your infrastructure, put in your conservation measures, and then take it from there. As James Woods pointed out there, the money being spent on metering alone will go a long way to upgrade these pipes. Could talk about this all day, as you know, but I'm going to leave it at that now. Just to remind you again, the conference, we're having our meeting tomorrow at 1 o'clock, our usual organised meeting. The conference is on the 19th of May in the Red Cow Hotel. Everybody who's a member is free to attend. Thanks very much.
So Fhaola welcome on us and Austin and Dr. Hart. Should be doing first then. Open. Guards, I'm going to drink.